Photoshop 2025. Here's how to generate an AI image. 1. Open Photoshop and create a new file. Go to File greater than New. Set dimensions like 1920 by 1080px. YouTube thumbnail size 2. Select the canvas area. Use the Lasso Tool L or rectangular Marquee Tool M to highlight the entire blank canvas or a section of it. 3. Activate the Contextual Task Bar if not already visible. Go to Window greater than Contextual Task Bar. Once the area is selected, the Generative Fill button appears. 4. Click Generative Fill. A text box will appear. Type a prompt like Futuristic sci-fi city with flying cars and neon skyscrapers at night. 5. View and choose from 3 variants. Photoshop will create 3 image versions using Firefly AI. Click through them to preview. 6. Regenerate if needed. Not happy with the result? Click Generate again for 3 new variations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps others find this video. Don't worry about subscribing, unless you want more quick Photoshop tips and tricks coming your way.